Show Me Tell Me video series. We're here with the Skoda Fabia Vrs. This is a sports, one of Skoda's super sports models, and it's a VRS. It's 2011 plate. So again, if you're lucky enough to get one of these in your test, how do you open the bonnet? So it's on this side of the road. The latch is just on the left hand side, being a German car. One big pull. So where the Skoda badge is located, on the left hand side and right hand side, place your hands. And it being German, it's going to be on the lever is on the left hand side. So with the right hand lift slightly to give it a bit of leverage. And on the left hand side, there's a latch, and the latch is underneath the hood. So that's how it's opening. As you lift up, the support arm is on the right hand side. It's color coded as orange in this case. So we take it out and we slot it into this slot. Just remember, we don't want this falling on your head. Okay, so this is the supercharged 1.4 TSI VRS engine. Your 4 questions generically. Where is your engine oil locator? How do you find that out? This is your dipstick. We take it out, and again, that dipstick going all the way to the bottom of the engine. We wipe it, we take it out, we put it back in, get a fresh reading, and it should be between the minimum and maximum levels. The brake fluid reservoir is located over here, and this brake fluid reservoir should be between the minimum and maximum levels. The engine coolant is located here, and once again, it should be between the minimum and maximum levels. The engine oil, brake fluid, engine coolant, minimum, maximum. Finally, your screen wash is located here, and you can see the symbol here for screen wash. We lift it up and we make sure that is kept topped up with a combination of just just screen wash, or a combination of the two with water or whatever you want. And then we make sure that's sealed and closed. And again, your engine cover is here, your radiator here, light bulbs respectively left and right, and with your battery being here. Never ever drop. So we push the lever, the hood slightly up to get a bit of flex. We make sure this locks into place. Once it's locked into place, we never drop it, because your hands, and you can damage your hands and your bulbs. Place it nice and gently, give it a nice strong tug at the end. Jobs are good. So we're in the 2011 VRS Skoda Fabia. This is a DSG fully automatic vehicle with paddle shift controls. So our left hand stalk, the left hand stalk is a combination for lights and indicators. So up for right, and you can see that in the display, cancel. Down for left, there's the indicator, cancel. Your lights are here. So here, this round knob here, we twist this once. These are your side lights and dip lights. When we twist that again, these are your nighttime dip lights. When we pull this towards us in this manner, this activates the rear fog lights, which is this symbol here, and you'll see that the lights have come on respectively. The orange light on the right hand side, that is your rear fog light. That's off, that's on, that's off. And if we turn off the side lights and tail lights and the dip beams, that's basically off. This is your control mechanism for your lights. If we want a full beams, so again, we've got to turn on the lights, and then we've got to push this stalk down, and you'll see that blue light that's come up. That is your full beams. Once again, you have to turn on your lights here to normal dip lights, and then you've got to push this for full beams, and then cancel when you pull it back. Now if you pull it in this manner, that is a flash. Every time you pull, it engages the flash. This is your left stalk. This particular car has got cruise control, and that's what these settings are, but these are not part of the driving test. So again, you don't need to know about them. All you need to know is your ability to turn on your full beams and indicate as normal. That's your left hand stalk. Your right hand stalk is all about wipers. So with it being German, it's the other way to the Japanese models. So when we press down 1, that turns on just the one wipe. And if we flick it slow, medium, high, and that's your front wipers kicking in. And then down, down, down to off. When you pull it towards you in this manner, here is your screen wash kicking in. That is towards you. When you push the opposite way and hold it down, if you look in the rearview mirror, there's the screen wash for the back wipers. And to activate your back wipers, you push it down just the once. And you'll see that the wipers will come on every so often. Let's give it a few seconds. There it is. And then you pull it back to the off position. So this particular car, the stroke moves in this direction. So once again, down for one wipe of the wipers, slow, medium, high wipers, front wipers, pull towards you, screen wash, front screen wash, push backwards once, activates the back wipers, keep on pushing it back, activates the screen wash for the back wipers. The rest is all your trip counter and your variability of the wipers within. Again, you don't really need that too much for your driving test. This is your Skoda Fabia Vrs. And again, let's have a look at these ventilation controls. Here are your ventilation controls. Here's your power setting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's your power. Here is where you want the air to go. So again, here is your front demister. That symbol there is your front demister. That's a combination of front demister and feet, just the face and the feet only. That's a combo. And this is how hot you want it and how cold you want it. So hot and cold. This is your recycling air conditioning. Here is your rear demister. That button there, when you press it, activates the rear demister. And then that turns it off as well. Here is your recycle traction control off, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is the one. And again, here's your automatic box. And this is your driving, this is your cockpit for the Skoda Fabia Vrs. Skoda Fabia.